This is SKYRC D100v2. This can charge two batteries of various chemistries simultaneously. You can operate the charger with the software and mobile application, but unfortunately, software is only available for Windows. For mobile application, you can find both iOS and Android versions. This device can charge, discharge, and balance your batteries. The most catchy feature is Scan to Go. It means you can create a profile for your batteries and then save it, create a QR code, print it out, and put that QR code onto your battery. And then whenever you scan, it can just apply the settings for that battery automatically. I think this is awesome. I will record another video for demonstrate how it works. That's it for now. Bye.